Good afternoon, guys. I didn't know if you knew that Dollar General is having another clearance sale today, so I wanted to let you know. I think it's going on through the 21st, but part of it is the fall stuff that they have still, and it is buy one, get one free. And then the other part, at least at mine, was some of their summer leftover stuff, so you can get some goodies for planting next season. I plan on going back tomorrow if I get time to see what else I can find at the other ones. The one I went to today is kind of small, so it's a little bit picked over, but it was insane, the deals that they had on stuff like this. Like these were, I believe they were 30 cents a piece. Yeah, no, hang on. 45 cents, sorry. These were 45 cents for the marigolds. Now, I like to plant marigolds along with some of my vegetables because it kind of deters the insects. I think they don't like the smell of the marigolds. I'm not sure, but that can really help. I got 2 boxes of those. And they had the seed starter that's already got the dirt in it. There's 36 cells in here. This was $1.20 a piece. I got 2 of those. That's all they had. I would have gotten more. And I got this cute little planter for 30 cents. This had been $2. I already know where this is going to go. And there was this little flag that I'm going to put in my flower bed when spring gets here. I think that was like maybe 20 cents. I can't remember. It was extremely cheap. But the fall stuff that I got, they had these towels for they're $1, so they were 50 cents a piece. And if you just need some towels, this is a great deal. 50 cents, you can't beat that. I don't care if it's spring, I will use these. So I got 4 of those. And there was 2 different designs that I got, which they're really pretty. And then they had these little guys, the scarecrows. I thought they were really cute, so they were 50 cents a piece. I got the man and the woman. And these, they were $4 a piece, so I got them for $2 with the sale. Now this blue one, I'm actually going to use this in my living room after fall and everything. I think that's really pretty. And you can put the little battery operated, I've already got one in here, a battery operated candle in here, which I know you guys aren't going to be able to see this. Oops, I dropped it. But, yeah, you can't really see that with the camera. You kind of can. But, that's going to go in my living room. And this will too. This is what I'm going to put on my entertainment center, but just for the fall. And then they had these cute little guys for, I guess they were, I think $1.25. And that's stuck there. There were 2 designs. One says Harvest, Happy Harvest. And this one says Give Thanks. And they had these that looks like mason jars. And they were $1.50 a piece. So I should have plenty of stuff to decorate for fall to last me for a good while. But altogether it was like a little bit over $17 just for these items. And I think that's not bad. It looks super cute. And like I said, if you need towels, you cannot beat 50 cents a piece. But anyway, tomorrow I'm going to go over to my mom and dad's old homestead. My brother has built a cabin over there, and they are having my nephew's birthday party over there. So I'm going to try to get out in the hills and show you guys kind of where I came from and our own old homestead. There's still a couple of old wood buildings and stuff out there we used when Mom and Dad was farming, but or homesteading. But stick with me and come out there and enjoy it with me, and I will see you tomorrow for that. But hopefully I can get home in time to get the video up, but if not, look for that the next day. But anyway, I love you guys. I will see you soon. Bye-bye.